We'll guide you through how to cancel your Amazon Prime membership. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Amazon, and so you no longer want your Prime membership. There are quite a few benefits to being an Amazon Prime member. For example, you go and get things like next day delivery, access to Prime Video, and more. But you do have to go and pay for it. It's a subscription. So you can go and cancel it, you go and lose the benefits, and you'll also no longer have to go and pay. Of course, if you go and cancel your membership and subscription, you can always go and get it again in the future, which is something important to consider. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and cancel it. Make sure this is full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So to go and get started, you need to go and head to the bottom. You want to go and find the person looking icon just to the right of home. That'll bring you here. Then what you need to do is come to the top row of options and you want to go and find the option for account, and you can go and tap there like so. Then what you want to do is you want to come and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for account settings. And in here, you go and find the option for Prime membership. So you can go and tap on that there and you're going to start seeing some different information about it. So you can go and see your plan, the benefits, and you can go and scroll down and see that there. But in this case, I want to go and manage the membership, cancel and more. So let's tap that there. So you can go and see the plan, the renewal date. So we can go and find the option for update, cancel and more at the bottom. And you can then go and see we've got the option for end membership. So we're going to lose access to the Prime benefit. So press that if you want to continue. They're going to go and guide you through the different benefits you have. I'm going to scroll down there and press continue to cancel at the bottom. And then you can go and see here that we can go and confirm the cancellation. You're going to go and keep the benefits until the end date though. So I've got until the 27th, which is good. And then it's going to go and end. But of course, we could go and subscribe again in the future. I'm going to press end like so, and it's loading, and that's it. You can now go and see it's going to end there, and we're going to lose the benefits, but the card is not going to be charged. If you found this useful and you want to see more like this, then consider subscribing and liking the video.